As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Weber Genesis E-415. Big difference in size right off the bat, huh?
Absolutely. The Q1200 is this cute little portable thing, only 30 pounds. The Genesis E-415, a hefty 205 pounds. Forget tailgating with that beast.
Yeah, the Q1200 is definitely the on-the-go grill. It runs on those small propane cylinders. The E-415 is a full-sized backyard barbecue machine designed for a standard propane tank.
And look at the cooking surface. The Q1200 has a cooking surface of 189 square inches. The Genesis E-415 boasts a whopping 994 square inches. You could cook for the whole neighborhood.
Totally. The Q1200 is perfect for a couple of burgers or some veggies. The E-415, you're talking multiple steaks, ribs, maybe even a whole chicken.
What about burners? The Q1200 has just one burner, putting out 8,500 BTUs. The E-415 has 4 of those pure blue burners, which is pretty advanced.
Yeah, I saw that. Weber says those burners create even heat and minimize clogging. Plus, the E-415 has flavorizer bars. Those sound fancy.
They are. Flavorizer bars catch drippings and vaporize them, adding that smoky flavor back into your food. It also helps prevent flare-ups.
Nice. So the E-415 is all about even cooking and flavor. What about materials?
The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The E-415 also has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, but uses stainless steel for the frame and handle.
Okay, so both have the good grates. What about price? I'm guessing a big difference.
Massive. The Q1200 is around $259. The Genesis E-415 is $1,099. You're paying for size, power, and features.
Definitely a get-what-you-pay-for situation. So, if you need something portable and simple, the Q1200 is the way to go.
But if you want a powerful grill for serious backyard barbecues and are willing to spend more, the Genesis E-415 is a solid choice.
Sounds good. I think it all boils down to how much grilling you plan on doing and where you plan on doing it.
Exactly.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.